Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about the Conair Foot Pedicure Spa with vibration. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I did not buy this for myself, but Veronica did, and I saw her using it and I said, hey, why not? So I gave it a shot, and I'm actually kind of glad that I did. I like it a lot. It's got triple action technology. It soothes pain and muscle tension. It provides a relaxing sensation. It's got 3 individual settings to where you can use it alone or you can use it combined with custom treatment. By custom treatment, that's if you wanted to use it with, say, Epsom salt or vinegar or red cider vinegar or tea tree oil or any of those types of things, whatever you would like to use to soak with in general, you can use it in this. Now I wear a size 13 shoe, and this is plenty enough room to hold my gigantic feet. So yeah, if you notice up here, it's got vibration and heat. It's just a push of a button. You can do it with your foot or you can do it with your hand. If you look closely here, you have all of these ridges that you can use to, it's pretty much kind of like a massage on your foot. It's rigid at the bottom, so it gives kind of a massage as well. And then up here you can rub off any hard pieces that you might have on your feet. It's purple. Like I said, I didn't order it, but I'm glad it was ordered. So basically, let's see, let's plug it in. And I'll show you. It comes actually as well with this 6-foot cord, which is plenty long. So I'm just gonna add some water. You will want to add some warm water in here so it doesn't have to work that hard. You just put warm or hot water, whatever you want to do. You can see the water. Let's see if we'll be able to catch the vibrations with this on the There we go. And you can see the water vibrating, and if your feet were in there, it gives it that kind of spa feel. And then it would heat it up as well. So that's pretty much how you would just turn it on, turn it off with the push of a button, and that's how that works. The other thing that I like is it has this lip here. It has this lip here at the bottom so that you are able to just go ahead and pour your water back into the sink or to whatever you're going to use to get rid of that water without causing a mess. So that's another little piece that I like about it. And let me go ahead and get this water out, all of it, and show you the bottom of it. And then the bottom, this is where the motor is here, and then it has these little foot pedals here that gives it a little bit more room stabilization when it's sitting, and that way you don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding off any and everywhere. Like I said, it's got the infrared heat that helps soothe your feet. Got warm, if you put warm steam in, then it helps soften the skin as well. It's made out of like this hard kind of plastic, and so it's very durable, but then again, you're just sitting there, and if you needed to take this off, then you could take this off as well if you need it. Or I would think probably a size 15 or 16 when you're going to start running into some kind of trouble right there. Other than that, just snaps right in, snaps right out. Not fragile at all. It's really like hard plastic. It's very durable. It's for storing purposes. If you had a bigger bathroom, I think it wouldn't be an issue. And if you're looking space wise, it is kind of big. I mean, you're putting both of your feet in it, and like I said, it goes up to, I'm gonna say, a size 15 shoe. So that's about how wide it is. So storing, it does take up some room, but yeah, it doesn't need any batteries. It plugs right in, and it has like an extra deep massage action and extra deep full foot massage. So if you're ready to like get down and after a hard day's work and fill it up with whatever your favorite liquids are, whether it's warm water, whether it's Epsom salt, whether it's that tea tree oil, vinegar, red cider vinegar, then you're good to go. You're going to be sitting there relaxing in this deep reservoir so that you can fully submerge your feet. It goes all the way up past your ankles, so it's not just like the bottom, it's not just the top. And as you can see there, it's got that one touch toe action just to turn it on. And those are some of the things that we were just talking about right there. And some more on the box. I actually am going to be keeping it in the box just to see if we can keep it a little bit longer, and it's easier to stack as well. If you're putting it in a closet, you can still put things on top as opposed to having it just sitting there. So there you have it, the Conair Foot Spa Body Essentials. Like I said, I didn't pick it up, but I'm glad somebody did, because now I get to use it. Y'all have a great one.